Financial freedom isn't just about having more money. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time and resources. It's about creating a life where you're not constrained by financial worries, but empowered to pursue your passions and goals. To master your financial freedom, you need to start with a solid plan. This means setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and sticking to it. It's about understanding your income and expenses and making conscious decisions about how you allocate your resources. Investing wisely is another key to financial freedom. Whether it's in property, stocks, or your own business, investing can help you grow your wealth over time. But remember, all investments come with risks, so it's important to do your research and seek professional advice when needed. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.